Are you looking for the best espresso machines for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best espresso machines for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Gaggia RI 938046 Classic Pro. The Gaggia Classic Pro is the upgraded version of the Gaggia Classic, a popular entry-level machine for many years. The updated design gives it a modern look, with superior pump mounts that dampen the sound when brewing your coffee in the morning. The mechanics in the Classic Pros are the same as the Classics. However, the Pro has an improved steam wand. The commercial steam wand gives you full control when steaming and frothing milk and can produce tight microfoam for latte art. The durable chrome-plated brass 58mm portafilter is the same size and style as commercial machines you find in your local cafes and coffee houses. If you want to sit and enjoy your morning cup in a matter of seconds, the dual heating elements ensure your brew is ready in about 5 minutes, and steam after 30 seconds. This is made easier by the control panel, split up into 3 switches for power, brewing, and steaming. Each switch has its own indicator light to tell you when the machine is ready to brew or steam. At number 2, Breville's 880 BSS Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Touch features a quality built-in grinder, an adjustable auto froth setting for milk, and a touch screen that offers step-by-step tutorials. This makes it an ideal machine for beginners. The intuitive touchscreen display simplifies making your favorite coffee in 3 simple steps: grind, brew, and milk. If you want a machine that will allow you to dive right in and make yourself a drink without feeling overwhelmed, this is definitely an awesome choice. The Barista Touch is powerful, will pull you some really balanced shots, and froths milk with ease. The more experienced coffee lovers can have more or less control over each step in their drink-making process thanks to the advanced controls and manual mode operation. What's more, you can create and save up to 8 personalized coffee settings for different family members. Besides, the jet heating system is such a time saver. It achieves the optimum extraction temperature in an average of 3 seconds, and you can get ready to make your best coffee without much waiting. With the digital temperature control, the water is precisely at the right temperature, ensuring optimal espresso extraction with great taste and aroma. What we liked: this machine is sleek and powerful and features great programming. The Barista Touch is beginner-friendly, and you can make a variety of cafe-quality espresso drinks without much trouble. You can also choose from the 5 pre-programmed cafe recipes for a quick shot. The option to create, save, and name 8 customizable coffee settings is a great feature too. What could be better? This machine has a beautiful, elegant finish, but it is easy to get it scratched. If you're careful when sliding mugs, this should not be a big issue. Pros: beginner-friendly customizable coffee settings, pre-programmed settings, touchscreen operation, BPA-free water tank, cons: easily scratched. At number 3, Espresso Machine. Espresso Works, with its stainless steel finishes, is a powerful machine that only looks great but also sits comfortably on any countertop. It is equipped with a front view water tank that allows for easy and convenient monitoring of water levels, and it is relatively easy to operate. You only need to press the button, and the green light illuminates when your machine is ready to brew. When you turn the dial to the espresso setting, and the espresso will begin to extract. The included spoon is a useful tool that makes it easier to tamp your beans firmly into the portafilter. The Espresso Works espresso machine is ready to use in less than 45 seconds. And the 15-bar pump makes it easy to create the perfect crema with a bold taste. It also includes a built-in steam wand to steam or heat milk to prepare your espresso drinks. You will find it impressive that you don't need to purchase any additional accessories when you buy this machine. The all-in-one set includes all accessories you need, including an electric grinder, portafilter, stainless steel frothing cup, measuring spoon, and tamper. What we liked: we loved that this machine comes as a comprehensive package and you don't have to buy additional accessories. What could be better? The machine is difficult to maintain since you have to clean certain parts after each use. If you don't, it fails and doesn't work properly. A little time and some patience could be all you need to fix this. Pros: all in one package. Front view water tank. Powerful. Cons: difficult to maintain. At number 4, Breville's 500 BSS Espresso Machine. The Breville Bambino Plus is simple, speedy, and enjoyable to use. The user manual is easy to follow, and with time, you can make rich and consistent shots for your guests. Perhaps the most impressive feature is the Bambino Plus's ability to generate silky milk froth that closely rivals that of your favorite barista. You can opt to use the super quick auto froth setting or manually steam the milk when you want to make something special. The Bambino Plus also has a compact design and easily fits in any average kitchen cabinet. With the automatic steam wand, you can adjust the milk temperature and texture to your preferences. The low-pressure pre-infusion that soaks the grinds and allows water to pass through the coffee helps you get a creamy, caramel-colored espresso for your family. With only 3-second heat-up time, you don't have to spend time waiting before your cup is ready. An effective thermojet heating system makes this process easier and fast. As far as coffee goes, sweet, delicious, and nuanced flavors start with perfect water temperature. Using the digital temperature control technology, the machine precisely controls water temperature for perfectly balanced coffee extraction. At number 5. Espresso Machine. The Sotech Espresso Machine features a plastic and stainless steel body construction with a beautiful, compact design. Being smaller and lighter than an average espresso machine, it is ideal for small kitchens, single apartments, offices, and traveling. The powerful 3.5 bar pressure espresso coffee maker can also make 4 cups, 240 milliliters, espresso coffee. The Sotech Espresso Machine uses the frothing arm to make a creamy froth for your cappuccinos and lattes. No one wants to work on a messy counter. With a removable, washable drip collector, you're sure to keep the brew space tidy and stain-free. Your package includes a steam espresso machine, a filter and funnel, a spoon, a carafe, and a manual. The Sotech Espresso Machine also comes with a lifetime warranty, quick refund, or a free replacement. At number 6. Nespresso Espresso Machine. The Lattissima one is simple and easy to operate. The single-serve system. You can brew different single-serve coffee cup sizes at the touch of a button, depending on your coffee needs. Simply fill the milk jug and let the machine froth directly into your coffee drink for the perfect coffee and milk drink. Lattissima one fits perfectly in any kitchen thanks to its compact premium design. Besides, the chromed lever and subtle gloss and matte line patterns will give a modern touch to an otherwise dull kitchen counter. The Lattissima one features a removable milk tank, which is dishwasher safe, making it relatively easy to clean. It has a fast heat-up time of only 25 seconds for espressos and 40 seconds for milk beverages. This could save you some precious time when you're in a rush. Each espresso machine comes with an Nespresso Original Capsule gift pack with a range of capsules with unique aroma profiles. With a folding drip tray for your machine, you can keep your brewing space clean,